In this video I'm going to show you how to create a double exposure effect with text behind and inside the subject. First, open your main image in Photoshop. Next, we need to extract the subject from the background. To do this, you need to go to Select and then Subject. Then click the Add a Mask button. Next, create a new solid background layer. Make it white for now and place it underneath your subject layer. Then let us prepare our image to be used in our double exposure effect. Go to Window and then Channel. Select green, then drag the green channel to the plus icon on the bottom right of the window to create a copy. Next, go to Image, Adjustments, and then Levels. Now drag the slider until the black becomes solid black and the white becomes solid white. Then click OK. Click Load Channel as Selection. This will create a marquee selection. Inverse the selection by going to Select and choosing Inverse. Now select the main background layer. Then use your rectangular marquee tool. Right-click on the center of the selection and choose Layer via Copy. Then let us copy the image. On your keyboard, press Ctrl-A to select all and Ctrl-C to copy. Then go back to your main image. Next, paste the image twice using Ctrl-V. That will make 2 layers of new images. Select both layers and transform to resize. To do that, go to Edit, Transform, and choose Scale. Mask the background image with your main image. To do that, right-click on the background layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Do the same with the second background. Now move any of the background layer images upward to show the other layer. Then rotate our top background image, pointing to the right. Choose the main subject layer mask thumbnail. Next, use the brush tool, but make sure that the foreground color is set to white. Then brush on the subject until some part of the trees is revealed. Do the same procedure with the other background, but this time it should be pointing to the left. Add a new, black and white layer and tick the tint option. Double-click the color box and set the color in the Color Picker window. I suggest using a color that is close to your background image. Now set the blending mode of the 2 backgrounds to Hard Light. Next, go back to the tree background image and copy it again. And paste it just above your main solid background layer. Resize your background image. Now go to your solid color background and change the color to match your subject. Next, using the horizontal type tool, type in any text. Duplicate your text layer. Let us rename our text layers. Text Layer 1 and Text Layer 2. To do that, double-click on the layer text title. Drag text layer 1 to your masked subject and position it to the top of the layer masked. Then drag the text layer 2 underneath the main subject. Select text layer 1 and add a new stroke layer effect. Set the stroke color to white and allow around 6 pixels for the size. Set the fill to 0%. Last, adjust the layer blending option of text layer 2 to soft light. That's it. My own version of creating a double exposure effect with text behind and inside the subject. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.